Hello friends, Sachin Gupta here, Senior Technical Analyst from Choice Equity Broking Private Limited, and this is the weekly podcast on commodity market. So first we'll discuss about the market outlook, and after that we'll share for the strategy for this week. In the last week we have seen a lot of volatility in the market as market started the week on a positive note. After 2 days of upside momentum, we have seen the further profit booking in almost all of the commodity. Although in the Friday trading session there was a bloodbath in the market as except crude oil, all of the commodities were trading into the negative territory. Crude oil prices gained by more than 1.5% on Friday trading session and closed at 3789 levels, while all of the commodities have shown the further profit booking. On Friday trading session, gold prices slipped more than 4% in a day to close 48,880 levels. Silver prices also crashed by more than 8% in a day to close 63,850 levels. In the base metal segment, nickel prices declined by 3% to close 1295 levels, and zinc prices also slipped more than 2.5% to close 221.05 levels. Natural gas prices also slipped more than 2% to close 197.80 levels. Copper prices settled near around 620.80 levels, and aluminum prices settled near around 164.95 levels. So if we talk about the gold, so yes, in the gold there is an immediate support which comes around 48,500 levels. If price breach this level, so we may see the further downside momentum till the level of 48,000. However, on the higher side, 50,200 is the major resistance for the counter. Now come to the silver. So in the silver is looking weak on the charts as on the Friday trading session there was a largest fall in the market. So on the downside, 62,600 is the immediate support for the counter. However, on the higher side, 66,000 would act as a resistance for the prices. Either side breakout will confirm the trend of the silver. Although according to the charts, we are expecting the downside momentum to be continue in this week also. So if price sustained below 62,600 levels, then the downside to be continued till the level of 60,000 levels. Now come to the base metals. In the base metals, the nickel and zinc price is looking highly bearish, and in the nickel there is an immediate support which is around 1280 levels. If price managed to sustain below 1280, then the downside momentum to be continued till the level of 1250. 1250 will be the major support for the counter. However, on a higher side, 1320 will be the immediate resistance for the counter. Now come to the zinc. So in the zinc, there is an immediate support which comes around 218 levels. If price managed to sustain below 218, then downside momentum to be continued till the level of 215 and 212. 212 is a major support for zinc, and however on a higher side, 228 would act as a resistance for the counter. Now come to the copper. So in the copper there is an immediate support which is around 612 levels, or on a higher side 630 would act as a resistance for the counter. Now we'll discuss about the lead. So in the lead there is an immediate support is 152 or on a higher side. If price managed to sustain above 162 levels, then we can expect the upside momentum. Otherwise, 150 below 152 levels, we can expect the further correction till the level of 148 and 145 levels. Thank you and happy trading session.